As part of automation testing, we need to begin take care about in developing with automation script, but according to that particular real-time standards. As part of real-time standards, it's mandatory that we need to begin take care about in working with this particular respective automation framework. Then only we can consider that we done with 100% of automation testing. So that we need to begin take care about what exactly mean by this automation testing and how we can take care about this particular automation framework. In that, our very first understanding, if I'm taking with automation framework, what is the meaning of automation framework? Creation of folder structure with standard rules. If I'm taking with this particular automation framework, we need to be get mentioned the creation of folder structure with standard rules. I mean, what are all that particular folders need to be created and what are all that particular respective standard rules need to be get followed. It's totally depends on that particular project or it will depends on that particular client based on that particular project or based on that particular respective client need to be get take care about what exactly the respective standards need to be get followed. Continued with the same, you can take care about that particular respective standards, but while working any type of automation tool or any type of automation framework, you may take care about any type of automation tool or any type of automation framework. You need to be get take care about in following with the two common standards. So or we can say that the two common rules need to be followed. What are those? Design of automation framework. The one you will be taking with design of automation framework. And another one, design of automation scripts. The one you will be taking with design of automation framework and considering the design of automation script according to the real-time standards, according to that particular real-time standards, design of automation framework taken care by test lead. The test lead will take care about in design of that particular respective automation framework. In the same way, taking care about design of automation script taken care by tester according to that particular real-time standards. We need to be get mentioned that design of automation framework and design of automation script. Design of automation framework taken care by test lead and design of automation script taken care by tester. Now, as part of learning, we need to be get take care about both the activities. So further, we need to be get taking care about in designing that particular respective automation framework. Design of automation framework. It's not like any new thing we are doing. need to be get take care about in creating with that particular respective folder structure according to that particular project requirement. We need to be get take care about in creating in designing with that particular respective folders and need to be get take care about in following with that particular respective standards here. So as part of our project, we need to be get take care about in creating with the two folders. One folder considering the leaf folder and another one taking with test script folder. So creating with the folder means it's not like directly taking care about creating with the folder. It's not like directly creating with the folder. We need to be get taking care about in creating with that particular respective package. I mean, while taking with this particular eclipse, we need to be get take care about in using that particular eclipse. In that particular eclipse, we need to be get take care about creating with project. Under that, taking care about in creating with package. Once we got create with the package, once we got create with the package, one package is equal to one package is equal to one folder in one folder in workspace. Meaning of workspace, path of saving the program. So in Eclipse, we need to be get taking care about in creating with that particular respective package. Once we got create that particular respective package, we need to be get take care about in creating with that particular respective class. In that, we need to be get take care about in creating with the one particular class name, considering that global and another class name general. We need to be get take care about in creating with the two classes here. One will be taking with global and one will be taking with general. If I'm taking with global, what you are maintaining here? Test data and objects related to whole application. Related to the whole application, we need to be get take care about in providing test data and objects. In the same way, we need to be get take care about general. What you are maintaining in general? All reusable functions related to the whole application. Related to the whole application, we need to be get take care about in providing all that particular reusable functions here. Continued with the same, we got take care about test script folder. In that particular test script folder, we need to be get take care about in maintaining that particular actual automation script. So if we just look into that workspace, if we just go to that particular workspace where that particular folder visibility, you can see that how many folders I got? How many folders I got? Two folders. What are the folders I got? One is leaf folder. Another one, test script folder. Is that directly we created the folders here? No. What we done? What we done? We created package in yeah, created package in project, nothing but Eclipse. In Eclipse, we got take care about creating with the packages. Under that particular project, we got take care about in creating with that particular respective packages. Once we got, once we got create with the package, once we got create with the package, we need to be get take care about in creating, I mean getting with the visibility as a folder that will be taking with two folders, one folder lib folder, another one test script folder. In the lib folder, what you are maintaining? Global and general. If I'm taking with lib folder, we need to be get maintain that particular global and general. In global, what you are maintaining? Test data and objects related to whole application. In the same way, you will be taking with general. What you are maintaining here? All reusable functions related to whole application. In the same way, we got take care about maintaining the folder of test script. What you are maintaining here? Under test scripts, what you are maintaining? Our actual automation test cases. Actual automation test cases are provided under the folder of test script here. So if I'm taking with interview, if I'm taking with interview, definitely you can expect with the question. What is the question you will expect? What is the question you can expect? The regular question, the common question. You may expect that explain automation framework. What is the question? Explain automation framework. The regular question, the common question. You can expect that explain automation framework. You need to be get comfortable in explaining that particular framework. So if we take with the question, what is the question you got? Explain automation framework. What will you explain? What you will explain? Creation of folder structure with standard rules. Completed. If you mention that particular answer, what will happen? Nothing will happen here. They'll understand that training completed in Amirpet and then attending for interview here. Because of that, don't go with that particular definition. They are not asking the definition. What is the question? Explain automation framework. Say they're asking that, not like the definition. What exactly your automation framework? They're expecting the answer for that. For that, it's not like you have to take care about in explaining the code. If they're asking the question of explain automation framework, you can explain them in a very detail by saying that folders of your framework. You can have one particular paper. The interviewer will maintain the paper. Otherwise, on the resume, they'll ask you that to explain. You can write all the folders. For now, how many folders you got? How many folders I got? Two folders. Going forward, some more folders will get added. Don't be confirmed. Don't be decide like framework means only two folders. For today, it is in a two folders. Going forward, according to the requirement, it will be getting added. First, you need to be get explain them in writing all the folders according to the framework, and then you need to explain them what are the files you are maintaining in each and every folder.